I am Kevin Stewart. I'm a leaf area meter technician at LI-COR Biosciences, and I'll be demonstrating how to replace the upper and lower belt on the LI-3050C. Okay, we'll be removing the upper and lower belts on the 3050C. Very simple. No tools needed. All you have to do is loosen up these two knobs to lower this idler assembly. Slide the belt off. Lift up the lower tension and just kind of rotate a little bit while lifting the tensioner. Slide the belt off. Now you'll be replacing the belts. They're both identical, same length. Inspect for any punctures, scratches, or debris. We'll start with the lower belt. Place one end on the right side. With your fingers through the belt, lift up on the tensioner. Slide it slightly under the tensioner and over the left end pulley. And with your thumb, work the belt on the right side in, and with your left hand, kind of rotate the belt as you're sliding it on. Makes for a very easy process. Again, the same with the upper belt. Place it on the right side over the upper tensioner and slide it onto the left side pulley. Again, you can rotate, just slide it if it's on there, and then lift up on your tensioner, reach inside, apply the tension, and tighten your knobs. Complete.